So today it's December, it's a national holiday, it's raining, wet, about 5 degrees outside. So we've decided to spend the day inside. But one of the jobs to do inside is to shell the beans that we grew in the summer. So Sarah?
Hi.
What are you, oh, there's Shep, look. So what are you doing exactly?
Well, these are the beans that we've picked now, and there's basically 3 types of beans. There's these speckled, pink speckled pods that have got pinto beans in.
What are they, haricots?
Haricot or pinto beans, yeah.
Yeah, haricot is just French for bean,
yes,
isn't it?
Yes, exactly. Haricot vert. And then these ones are like big butter beans, and they come in these wider pods here. So
Oh, that's nice. What do you call those in English?
Butter beans.
What do you call them in Spanish?
Alubis de la granja.
Oh, like farm beans.
Also garrafones.
Oh, okay.
And that's the bean that they use in the paella.
So...
And then the third type are sort of mixed coloured beans, all different shades, which are really pretty.
Nice.
To do things with.
They make a great dish with chorizo we're going to have later on, yeah?
Yeah. And I like, with the black beans, I do a black bean and chorizo stew. And then with the butter beans, I sort of soak them and then cook with pork and chorizo in the pressure cooker.
The other thing is that to dry these beans, we've got these colanders on top of the fire, the wood fire, and these we did these yesterday, and they'll probably take a bit of time drying, but they're drying enough so that they wouldn't rot now. And is Meg enjoying the fire? There you go. Fire's going nicely. Oh, it's a nice indoor day.